Good morning, students. Today I am going to take up lesson number 5, diseases. I will explain you the chapter in two parts. In the first part, I will make you to focus on diseases, its types, and nutritional deficiency diseases. What are diseases? Disease means disorder in body or an abnormal condition of body in which the body is not able to function properly. Diseases are of many kinds. Some diseases do not transfer from a sick person to a healthy person. Such diseases are called non communicable diseases. Some other diseases are there which are communicated from one person to another. These are called communicable diseases. Let's see the causes of non communicable diseases. Non communicable diseases can occur due to lack of healthy diet, bad habits like smoking, pollution, or due to some genetic abnormalities. Children, you know that our body needs certain types of food nutrients. Such nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. To remain healthy, our body needs a balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet that contains a variety of food items and provides all the nutrients to our body. The lack of certain nutrients in the diet leads to nutritional deficiency diseases. Children, deficiency means lack or shortage. Let's see the problems caused by the deficiency of these nutrients. Carbohydrates and fats give us energy. We get carbohydrates from cereals, potatoes, fruits, and sweet things. We get fats from oil, butter, ghee, and nuts. People who do not get enough food to eat, their body become severely weak and extremely thin. This is because their body use up the stored fat to get energy. Proteins are needed for growth and repair of the body. We get proteins from pulses, milk products, eggs, meat, fish, and soya products. Small children do not grow properly without proteins. Their stomach becomes swollen. Skin becomes patchy. Discoloration of hair is another symptom of protein deficiency. Children, our next topic is vitamins. Vitamins are essential nutrients that boost up our immunity system and protect our body from diseases. There are different types of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, and so on. Let us begin with vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for the eyes. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. People suffering from night blindness cannot see well in dim light. Sources of vitamin A are yellow and orange fruits and vegetables like orange, capsicum, carrot, mango, and milk, butter, honey, green leafy vegetables like broccoli, coriander leaves, and eggs. Next is vitamin B. Vitamin B is needed for the proper functioning of the body. The lack of vitamin B can cause beriberi. It is a serious disease of the nerves and muscles. Other problems related to vitamin B deficiency are scaly skin and sores in the mouth. We get vitamin B from pulses, cereals, milk, meat, nuts, eggs, and fish. Vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts up our immunity system. It protects us from diseases. The lack of vitamin C can cause scurvy, a disease in which the gums bleed, the teeth become wobbly, and the joints become painful. We get vitamin C from all kinds of citrus fruits like orange and lemon. Apart from it, many other fruits are good source of vitamin C like guava, tomato, pineapple, amla, kiwi, banana and many other fruits. Our next topic is vitamin D and calcium. The lack of vitamin D and calcium in the diet makes the bones and teeth weak. Children can also get a disease called rickets, a disease in which the bones of the legs get bent. Sunlight is a good source of vitamin D. Other sources of vitamin D and calcium are milk, milk products, eggs, some green vegetables, mushroom, and fish. Iron. Iron is a very important mineral and our body needs it to make blood. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, a disease in which people feel tired and weak and lose their appetite. Sources of iron are leafy vegetables, cereals, meat, eggs, dry apricots, nuts, dates, and other dry fruits. Iodine. Iodine is a mineral that keeps the body healthy. The lack of iodine in our diet can lead to goiter, a disease in which a gland in the throat gets swollen. Main sources of iodine are seafood, iodized salt, and milk products. That's all about non communicable diseases. In the next video, I will explain you about communicable diseases. Thank you so much.